Well, good morning from a local pond. Yeah, same to you. I'm down here for a couple of hours this morning, a bit of an opportunistic session. We had about 8 mil of rain a few days ago. The water's quite coloured. I haven't seen any evidence of fish at all yet. So, not really sure what'll happen today. I've got unweighted out there, I've got a small waggler float out there. Let's see what happens. Well, I've put in a fair bit of ground bait and there's a lot of bubble action out in front, but no bites as yet. Might take a little while to get them around and feeding. Bit of action on the unweighted. Missed it. Oh well, that's my first bite. There's a huge amount of bubbles coming up over there where I put the ground bait in. I hope it's not our hard-backed reptiles. The water's pretty dirty after that rain we had the other day, and I'm just wondering whether the carp might need a seeing eye dog to find the bait. It's usually much clearer than this. Well, this is a very slow start. Normally they're right onto it here, but not this morning. Oh, something's touched it. I don't know what that was. Whatever it was very small. Look at the bubbles. Let's get it back in, not a moment to lose. Famous saying. I've got a horrible feeling it might have had a hard shell. Got one. Took forever. Float went straight down. No monster, that's for sure. He's in. Well, that's my first real bite. Had a couple of little picky ones, but that's the first real one. I was just out there, so see if he's got any friends. Nothing on the unweighted. Amazing. Float's playing around. And stopped. Well, it's certainly a hard graft this morning. I put it down to the fact that this water's pretty turbid after the rain, and the fish probably been put off a little bit. Very hard to get bites. Normally at this pond they're fairly cooperative, but not much happening. Normally here you'd catch on bread consistently. Well, I've got some worms with me. I'm just wondering with the stirred up water whether that might be a good option. I might try them on the unweighted. Let's give some worms a try. I was worried about this. It has come to pass. Andrew, I blame you for this. least he's only caught in a flipper, so it'll be an easy release. Definitely blame Andrew. He printed the word. It's almost a death sentence. Go away. It's not quite what I had in mind to catch on worms, and I did suspect that some of the bubble action had been them, so let's try again. And hopefully this time it'll have fins. Oh, that was a good fish. Big swirl. Just a bit too keen. Let's get it back out there. Worm's got a bite. Unfortunately, I missed it. Yeah. Well, it hasn't taken very long. The Doug Petty Punchmaster strikes again. About the usual size for here. There are bigger fish in here. I think I might have lost one a bit earlier on the worms. Hey. Not too keen to join me. No, not yet. This time maybe. Yeah. Well, it's been a hard grind today, that's for sure. Another one. I'm only getting them on the float today. The unweighted hasn't been troubled. A little bit bigger, I think, than the other two. Bit of a take on the unweighted. Here we go. Got him. Oh no, oh no. We know what this is. We know what this is. Oh. Oh, I hate these things. I really do. Where are you hooked? Hopefully not in the mouth. Go away. My time for this session is just about up. It's been hard work, not a lot of bites. 3 fish, 3 medium or small to medium carp average for this pond, all on the waggler float and bread. The unweighted hasn't produced a fish, although I did lose 1 larger fish on worms. Unfortunately, 2 unmentionables. I blame you for that, Andrew. Never mind. As always, next time. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll see you in the next one. Such disagreeable creatures, those ducks.